welcome all the members of the Zurich family. Today we have reached the annual celebration that we normally do every yearly. That one is not chosen by me. It's always been chosen by the Spirit. The day that we meet to discuss what we'll do so that the brotherhood will go forward. The things that we'll be enlightened to do, and the things that we are not supposed to do into the brotherhood. We meet every year to discuss what we'll do so that the brotherhood will go forward. The love that we'll show each other. The happiness that we'll show each other for the new members who have introduced themselves into the Zurich family. Today, I welcome every member with the sign of the brotherhood across my forehead and across my chest. That the year has reached and you people has performed all the necessary sacrifices. And you have come to witness the sacrifice that is going to be made for each and every one of you from your various country. I say once again, I welcome you into the brotherhood of Zurich, the family of love, the family of success, the family of blessings, the family of riches. In the Zurich brotherhood, we don't have anything to do with human blood. Our main priority of the brotherhood is to protect you from your enemies and open all your chances for you and grant you whatever your heart desire. Success is in the hands of we human beings. Blessings, it's in the hands of we human beings. Before we now commence it into the supremacy of Almighty Allah, every human being who is a member of this brotherhood, seek for Jannah, that is heaven. It doesn't mean that when you are part of this brotherhood, you are a demonic creature or you are a satanic creature. Nobody on earth will wish to die and go to hellfire. I raise my hand and say, when I die, I will go to heaven. Because I don't